Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope your preparations are going well. So in this video I'm going to share the review of Objective Arithmetic by Arihant Publication and Rajesh Verma. This book is of Rajesh Verma, and this video this video is helpful for the one who are thinking of buying this book, and what's the cost price, what's the MRP, everything I will discuss in this video. What is the content, and what's how this book is, how what is the importance of this book, and how it will help you in your preparations. Everything I will discuss. So watch it till the end. Before going to brief details of this book, I want to say this book is best for the beginners. Yeah, this book is best for the beginners who want to start their preparations from this start. Um, so, and this book is most helpful for the prelims purpose, and it will make your base so strong that you can eventually crack mains exam as well. So, and this book, and the most important, I want to say that this book is most important for the one who are afraid for maths. As you know, this book is benefited to all the aspirants of SSC as well the banking, as well as for the CSAT IS who are going who are doing preparation for IAS and CSAT examinations. Everything you can see, the Air Force, every CSAT, CDS, MAT, hotel management, railway, everything. This book is most benefited for every purpose, every type of examinations. So let's get started. First I will discuss about its MRP. Okay, the MRP is 465, and I bought this book for 395. Now let's see. As you know, the syllabus of SSC is more vast than banking. As in SSC, you have to cover the geometry portion also, and as well as the trigonometry portion. So first see what is the syllabus. First chapter you can see the number system, series and progression, HCF and LCM, approximation, average, everything. Okay, so there are total 41 chapters. Statistics, you can see statistics is also mentioned, set theory, and on the last you can see the data table, pie chart, bar chart, line graph, missed graph, data sufficiency. As you know that in banking, for 10 marks around, DI comes, so it covers all this, all the things out, all the topics are covered in this. It covers the previous year questions also, the most important, the high level questions as well from the basic, the various types of methods, everything. So now first see then how it plays. Let's see how the questions are there. See, you can see that first it is mentioned that base level questions, and then is high level question as well, and the solutions are also given in brief in this book. And you can see the fast track. First see, I'll show you from another chapter like profit and loss and simple. See average. See, first the important formulas are given. Important formulas will be given in average chapter. Then the fast track techniques, how you can, as you know that only the limited times is available in the examination hall, and you need to be more faster than your competitors. So you need to have the techniques, you need to be well prepared with your techniques. So you need to know the each and every formula, how to do the sums in just in 2 to 3 seconds. So this book is most helpful as fast track techniques are given over here. And see, technique number 4, technique 5, everything is mentioned, and 6, 7, and first is base level questions, then high level question. It goes on from base to high. In every chapter, like this only it is given. Now let's go to the DI portion. See the DI questions. LIC AAO 2016. This question came in LIC AAO 2016. IBPS 2016. This DI. As I said, it covers all the previous year question also. You can see over here SBI PO pre 2016 question, and I'll show you more. Then high level question is also there, which mostly comes in IBPS per mains and every mains examination. See, RBI officer grade 2015 examination, this question came and it is given over here. So it makes your skill strong and it makes you more efficient, so that you can cover, so that you can do it in exam in just in seconds or just in minutes. Okay, pie chart, you can see the some of the questions are there. Practice question is also there, so you can practice. So guys, this is all about my video. If you liked, then like and subscribe and share this video to your friends, so that it can help them also in the preparations. So guys, all the best for your examinations. Bye bye.